Hi students, in this video we are going to learn exercise number 9.3 question number 1. Carry out multiplication is our question. So look at the first problem. Whenever the bracket is given, that means in between symbol is a multiplication. So 4p is a monomial, q plus r is a binomial. One term we have to multiply with both the terms here. So the 4p which is given out of the bracket is called a common number. So this 4p term is common, that should be multiplied with q as well as it should be multiplied with r also. We have to write 4p into q 4pq plus 4p into r 4pr. That's all your answer, very easy. Next one, first the multiplication means that comma should be replaced by multiplication sign, that is ab multiplied by a minus b, the same way monomial binomial. First number should be multiplied with a, then the ab should multiply with b. Now ab into a we are getting, that is a b a we will be getting. Then here what is the symbol given? Minus, so minus ab into b, so a b b we are getting it here. Now the next step, a power 1 a power 1, when you are multiplying a power 2 will come. When the bases are same, powers will be added. 1 plus 1 2, then this b minus this a, b power 1 b power 1 will be added, b square. That is your correct answer. Only b together it is added, only a together it is added. 1a and 1b cannot be added. Next one, a plus b into, that is your question is a plus b multiplied by 7a squared b squared. Anyway, wherever the numerator monomial is there, that should be multiplied with both the terms, that is 7a squared b squared should be multiplied with a. Same way 7a squared b squared should multiply with b now. So when you are multiplying with a, what will happen means, very simple, 7a squared b a will come. This a power 1, when we are multiplying with this term, here we have already a power 2. When you are multiplying with a power 1, it will be added. A power 3 will come. So that is 7 a power 3 b power 2. Again the same term should be multiplied with b now. In between plus given, so take the plus. 7a squared b squared should multiply with b power 1. So 7a squared will not any change. B squared into b power 1 will be written as b power 3. That is your correct answer. One more problem here. One more problem. Again, whenever the comma is given during the multiplication, this comma will be written as multiplication. That a squared minus 9 multiplied by 4a. Now this 4a, same method, this 4a should multiply with a squared as well as with the 9 also. Now a squared into 4a, when you are multiplying a power 2 a power 1, it will be added. A power 2 into a power 1 will be a power 3. 4 will be coming as it is. So 4 a power 3 is the correct answer. Now 4 into 9, here minus sign is there, so plus into minus minus. 4 9s are 36. This a power 1 will come as it is. That is your correct answer. 4 a power 1 should multiply with a squared first, then the same number should multiply with 9 also. In between symbol you can take as it is. Look at the next one, is very easy. Here comma is given. Now that is pq plus qr plus rp multiplied by 0. So anything multiplied by 0, the answer is 0 only. You no need to do any calculation. Directly we can write the answer 0. We'll move on to the next question now. Complete the table. First expression is given as a. Second expression is b plus c plus d. Find the product they are asking. Product means in between multiplication sign they are asking. So here one term, here three terms. Anyway the a should be multiplied with all the terms. A into b and a into c and a into d we have to do. So a into b will be ab, a into c will be ac, a into d will be ad. That is your correct answer. The which is given monomial outside, that should be multiplied with all the terms which is inside. Now this is the inside number. Now coming to the next one, same way this is a trinomial, 3 terms are there. This is a monomial because we have only one term, 5xy is a single term. Now the same way during multiplication, all these 3 terms should be multiplied with 5xy. So the first one 5xy we are going to multiply with the x. When you are multiplying with x alone will get added. X power 1, x power 1. So x power 1 into 1, x power 2. So remaining number will come as it is. So 5 x power 2 y. This 5y will come as it is. X power 1 alone will be added with this. Second number plus sign is there, so take plus sign. Again 5x power 1 y into y we have to do. So this y power 1 and this y power 1 will be added. So the value will be remaining. This 5x will never happen any changes. 5x y power 2. Finally constant minus 5 into 5xy. So plus into minus minus 5 5 is 25 and your x and y. That is your correct answer. Look at one more problem. Again this is a monomial, this is a binomial. Now this term should be multiplied with p squared. The same way this term should multiply with q squared also. Let's write like this. That is 4p squared q squared should multiply by p squared is one term. Here in between minus is given, take that minus. Same question, 4p squared q squared should be multiplied with q squared now. Don't write the minus again because this minus only we have taken here. So after writing, this 4 will come as it is. P squared into p squared, p power 4. This q squared. Minus here, 4 will come as it is. Q squared have a pair. P squared we don't have any pair. So 4p squared. Q squared into q squared will give you q power 4. Because the power will be added. So this is your correct answer. If you want to do more simplification, we can take the common term outside. Again you will be getting the question only. So you can leave the problem in this point. Thank you for watching. If you like our video, subscribe our channel for more videos.